Hi. It's a random Tuesday night. I was just sitting on my desk and studying, and after I was done studying, I thought, okay, now before I go to sleep, what time is it? It's 10:30 right now. So before I go to sleep, you know what? I'm gonna go and journal. So I opened my desk drawer and I thought, oh well, there are so many journals that I'm using at one time, and I'm using them all simultaneously in an year. And wow, this is crazy. I need to make a video on it. So here I am making a video on it. So, well, all of my journals are like my kids and I love them all equally, but then again, parents always have a favorite one. So I'm gonna introduce you to all of my journals and then tell you which one's my favorite without telling me which one's my favorite. So recently on Pinterest, okay, whatever I said, just forget it. Yes. So recently on Pinterest, I saw this journaling thing where they say that take a journal and create your own anthology. What you're gonna do simply is note down the quotes that you like from the books, the excerpts, the things that you really like, maybe the summaries, maybe a character that resembles you, and you write it all down in a journal. So I brought this journal and I've just started doing it. This is private. I'm not gonna show you because my it's my anthology, and this is something that my nieces and my nephews are gonna find, and they're like, "Oh my god, Shireen, Aunt Shireen was like this." Well, yeah, she was. She was crazy. She was crazy for it. Anyway, the next journal is this one. I use it as a junk journal. I take all the receipts when I go out with my girls and have fun with them. I stick it here. I what I do is whenever I watch a movie and I like a quote, maybe I'm watching a series and I like a character, then the quotes that she says, I write down it here. So this one quote that I really liked, I want to read it out loud. This is one of my favorite things to do, read out loud. The quotes that I wrote, I never knew that one day I'm gonna make videos and do this. Anyway, कहते हैं कि रात की रानी की खुशबू से बहुत कीड़े आ जाते हैं, इसीलिए उसकी खुशबू को दबाने के लिए उसके पास एक और पेड़ लगा देते हैं, दिन का राजा। पर अब चाहे दिन का राजा लगाओ या बैंड का बाजा बजाओ, रात रानी की खुशबू कहाँ दबेगी। आई लव दिस कोट सो मच एंड well, I use it quite often. This journal, I use it quite often. And, just the creativity that I did with it, I love it. And I've actually shown this before also. Like, yes. So the next one is, I think I've shown this in one of my videos because somehow I soft launch my journals most of the time. Like, oh, listen to this one of the quotes that I did. Anyway, so this one where I paint at one page and then I write a gut wrenching thing on the other one. So, like this one here. And wow. Okay, so what I did here was I painted two drawings and they were like dusk and dawn. And wow. Meet me at the dusk and find me as ever changing. The lines erased, the world so small. Meet me at the dawn as the hues of the sky, the faces blurred, the world absurd. I love it. I love it so much. I love this journal. The next one, this is a personal one, personal diary like, and it's a bit too much to say. Yes, you can, but I need to hear this thing like 100 times a day. So this journal is for that. I open a page in the morning and then I go on and write something that I feel, and it's personal. Okay, so the last one, I am red embarrassed, but I'm still gonna show you because I'm really honest and I wanna show it. So this is the journal that my 16-year-old self made, and I thought by 17 I'll find the love of my life, so I'll discard this journal. But I haven't, so I'm 22 and I'm still continuing. So this journal's whole idea is the love I seek. So from time to time I come back and I write characteristics of the lover, the person that I want. And this is very embarrassing. This is childish, but this is me. And I'm not going to read because I owe integrity to my 16-year-old self and also my 22-year-old self. So, yeah, that's it. These were all my children, or well, all my journals. And I'll see you all. Bye bye.